Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. An old man in the land of grills, and yes we are. I tell you what, we got a quick and simple one here today. Every so often I get a hankering for something that a lot of you probably have never heard of. It's called mock chicken and mock chicken legs. And I have actually a grocery store that the meat market actually makes their own. And I tell you what, it's not something that I crave all the time, but I was there this morning and I saw them and I said, oh man, how about making some sandwiches out of there? I got some bagels that I'm going to toast. I'm going to put these on. Oh, it's going to be so good, folks. So I tell you what, it's getting late in the day. I'm going to fire up one of the pellet grills. I think the Z grill, get it fired up, and it's a pork product, so we got to cook them, and then we'll give you a look. See, I tell you what, this is a real treat, folks. Yeah, I think I said bagels. I meant English muffins is what we're going to be putting them on, and there they are. There's the stars of the show. You're saying. So that's what a mock chicken leg looks like. Yeah, that's what a mock chicken leg looks like. And if you're, oh, sorry about that. If you're, so you can see that it's pork and mock chicken leg seasoning, which there appears to be salt in there, and a whole bunch of other stuff. There's just a whole long list there. And it says you should get them up because it's pork, 165. So we're going to put them on the grill. And they're going to be delicious, folks. Like I said, I crave this a couple times a year. And after I have them, then I say, yeah, I'm done for a while. And then a couple months pass, and then all of a sudden I say, whoa, man, I could really go for some mock chicken legs. And that's what we're doing today. All right, folks, 600 series pellet grill from Z Grills, folks. Got a set 300 still coming up to temp here. This little grill, I'll tell you, impresses me more every time I use it. A lot of people, a fair amount of criticism for these grills, but that controller right there is actually a PID controller. Now, if I did share some criticism, would be size of the pellet hopper. It's a little small, could be a little bit bigger, but it's a smaller grill, so I have not tried to do anything overnight with this, because I think the pellet hopper is maybe a little bit small, but the cooking area on the inside, you got two shelves that are relatively full length, and you can see we've got our mock chicken legs on here, but for the price that this thing is, I actually like it. It works pretty nice. So I'll leave the review down below I did on this grill, and we'll keep going on these mock chicken legs. All right, we got Z Grill 600 series set at 325, 328. This little controller there does an amazingly good job. And I've only had this during the summer, so it'll be amazing, even more amazing to see how well it does when it gets cooler out and gets to be winter. Let's take a look at our at the old mock chicken legs here. Oh yeah, starting to brown up, folks. So it's pork. We gotta get our 165 internal. Then we're gonna toast up those English muffins, and we're gonna have some delicious mock chicken. Maybe some pickles on there. Maybe a little secret stadium sauce. Oh man, that's gonna be so good. All right, folks. We're gonna take an internal. Oh, I've got the Thermal Pen 1 from ThermalWorks. This is the one that they say reads in 1 second. And it doesn't. They got a little protective cover that I bought it because it doesn't have a magnet in it, but the protective cover does. So let's we're taking a lot of crap over this, folks. You want to see if it's really 1 second? Getting close to 165. Certainly wasn't 1 second, in my opinion. Keep on going, give you a look-see. All right, one last look. I got our English muffins all toasted up. Oh man, golden brown. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Give you a look-see once they're plated up, folks. Oh man, there they are. Golden brown mock chicken legs in there. I cut one open for you so you can take a little better look at it. It's very hot. Even got a little smoke ring on there. Take just a little corner taste test. Oh, hot. Oh, that's very good. So folks, if you ever have the opportunity to pick up mock chicken legs, gotta give them a try. Pickles, secret stadium sauce, #1. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.